Hi students, today we are going to study some important questions for class 10 board exam. Okay, the first question from real numbers. Find the HCF and LCM of 90 and 144 by the prime factorization method. In this question, usually the board exam always it will come. Okay, so HCF and LCM of 90 and 144. First what we will do, take the 90 and do it as prime factorization method. 90. So I did for you. In 90 which prime number is there? 2. 2 45s are 90. Again in 5. 5 9s are 45. Again 3 3s are 9. So 90 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 raised the power 2. Understood? Again the next number is 144. Do it with the prime numbers. 2, 72, again 2, 36, 2 over here, 18 2s are 36, again 2, 9, 2s are 18, again 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. So we got 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2. Understood? Then we should find HCF. To find the HCF, we list the common prime factors and the smallest exponent of 90 and 144. In this case, which are the common prime factors? That is 2 and 3, is it? So, the least component of 2 is, exponent of 2 is 1 and least exponent of 3 is 2. So, the HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 2. So, 2 raised to 1, 2, 3 square, 9. So, 2 9s are 18. Next is LCM. To find the LCM, we list all prime factors of 90 and 144 and their greatest exponent. Okay. So, LCM is equal to, the prime factors of 90 and 144 is 2, 3 and 5. Is it? Greatest exponent 2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 1. So, the LCM is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. So, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9 into 5. 16 into 9 into 5, how much it will come? So, 720. So, the LCM is 720. This question definitely come for CBSE exam. Okay. The second question is from AP, Arithmetic Progression. Find the middle term of the AP 6, 13, 20 and 216. In this case, clearly 6, 13, 20 and 216 is an AP. Understood? The first term A is equal to 6 and the common difference D is equal to how much? 7. So, let there be terms in the given AP. N is equal to 216. Is it? So, how to find? As we all know, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 216. Is it? So, here 6 plus 7 into N minus 1 is equal to 260. 6 plus 7 into N, 7N minus 7 is equal to 216. Is it? So, 7N is equal to 217. So, N is equal to 217 by 7 is equal to 31. So, we got N. Here, N is odd. So, N plus 1 by 2. So, that is 31 plus 1 by 2. Is it? So, we will get 16th term. Which term we got? 16th middle term and given by. So, then we should find A 16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So, A plus 15 D is equal to 6 plus 15 into 7. 6 plus 15 into 7, 105. So 6 plus 105 is equal to 111. This is a 60th term. Understood? This question always come for board exam. The next question is from trigonometric ratio. Evaluate tan 60 degree cosec 45 degree whole square plus sec 60 degree the whole square tan 45 degree. In this case, we should substitute the value of all. Tan 60 root 3 into cosec 45 root 2 the whole square plus sec 60 square 2 square into tan 45 1. So, we should simplify. Root 3 into root 2 the whole square means 2 plus 2 square means 4. So, we will get the final answer 4 plus 2 root 3. Understood? The next question is 4 cos square 45 degree minus c square 60 degree plus sin square 60 degree plus cos square 90 degree. In this case, we should do like this. 4 into cot 45 degree the whole square minus sec square 660 degree the whole square. Understood? Plus sin 60 degree the whole square plus cos 90 degree the whole square. Okay. So, 4 into cot 45 degree the whole square. So, 4 into 1 the whole square. Is it? Minus c square 62 the whole square plus this one is root 3 by root 2 the whole square. Is it? Plus cos square is 0. So, 4 into 1 square 4 minus here 2 square 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 0. So 4 minus 4 0 plus 3 by 4 plus 0. So the final answer is 3 by 4. In this way we are evaluating. Understood? The next one important question is prove the trigonometry identities. The first question is 1 minus sin square theta into c square theta is equal to 1. So we should prove it. Is it? So first we will take LHS. LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta. Is it? So 1 minus sin square theta, as we all know, that is cos square theta. So it will come cos square theta c square theta. Is it? So sec theta means 1 by cos theta and c square theta means it will come 1 by cos square theta. Is it? So cos square theta 1 by cos square theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. This is c square theta, that is 1 by cos square theta. If we cut cos square theta, we will get the answer 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Understood? So this is some important questions for CBSE board exam. Next class we will study more questions. Okay. Thank you.